Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily sign player using nominating contract in eFootball 2024. So let's nominate a player. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can complete the objective or mission, or how you can challenge the event so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the contracts and tap the first one, special player list tab. Let's search the nominating contract, this one. Note that nominating contract have validity of 60 days, so 2 months, counting from the time they were added to your inbox or inventory. When using a contract, the one with closest expression that will be used first. So this is this one, date of that nominating contract that I have, this, and try to search the feature here, this one. For example, I do have one nominating contract in Golden Boys. Tap it, and it's using nominating contract you're currently on. You can sign player that 4-star or below. So you can rotate the player here, or let's try another. You can get from Japanese League or J League here. Tap this one. Please make sure you sign or choose wisely in that position. Like if you need the MF, please use this banner or use this J League feature, or this one from Liga BBVA. This is from Mexico, if I'm not wrong. Just tap. So this one, if you need player from this Liga BBFA, you can do it. And I want to show you one job from Golden Boys. Tap the maintain contract, okay, and rotate. And I do need a column 1 here. If you need it, just tap the sign display. So choose wisely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.